fucking fall. Wormo. I got you. That's why I need weather. Yeah, I got you. This should give me that free smoke, dude. Let's take the trick down the train. Bring this up. I think gonna have a long ass fucking car. I jerk off while fucking riding bike, nigga. Oh shit. Fuck these rocks, nigga. Yo, right in the middle of the water, nigga. Go in the middle of the water, go in the water. Oh, I hope it's breaking. Come on, go, nigga. Yo, I'm gonna swim a car. Oh, I'm gonna die. Happy, let me see something. I just don't want wall with us.
Palidrogo.
For my music. Shit! God damn! Let me know! Let me know!
Look up the new merch. Brad Vlogs.
Oh my god, look what's the guy again!
So fucking same guy. How'd you day going, Super Willie?
I just went like this before.
Métete una paja.
I just gonna say, oh, mete una paja. Yo quiero una paja. Oh, espera. Yo quiero una paja. Mira un paja ahora mismo. Una paja.
Yo, is this GoPro your mom's or yours?
Mine.
Oh. Come on, Ali. Leave Caroline alone, man. Before Willie goes and fucks her.
What?
Yo, I'm gonna sway this truck.
Get the fuck out of the way! Fuck, you can't ride with fucking Willie. I'm tripping you. Ah, exactly. Aún así no, en vez de la escuela.
Just chilling. Look at this. Oh my god, guys. Alright guys, so today we are here in West Miami currently. You know, we had to come back because Willie's mom said that we had to come. So, we had to come back. And we are currently in a little wood.
Where are we going?
To your mom's house. Where's your mom at? Come on. Tell your mom you love her. Come on, you know you do. Hey, no doing tricks in the rain. Damn. Sucks ass. Dude, wait. Shit.
Yo, why the fuck is it always raining?
Dude,
Miami.
we live in Miami. Look at this. What if the GoPro falls in the water?
No, water. Let me see it.
Hey, cutie.
Yo, look at this fucking idiot, bro.
Nigga, what do you have to say about this fuck ass nigga?
It's fucking trash.
Look at this.
Look at it, bro.
Alright, so here we got to see post, see clamp, bags, switching gears, the Shimano hydraulics.
Yeah, that, currently, according to Wilson,
according to Wilson, the Tetra brake, the stock brakes are way. Wait, what am I just like?
Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, fucking Johnny makes ugly ass bikes, nigga. What the fuck is a 1% more, nigga?
The 1% dick rider.
OTF flyers soon, nigga.
Willie, what do you think about this crackhead?
Crackhead.
Typical crackhead shit, right? Alright, bye guys. Oh my god! Oh! Where's the cops?
Right there.
Fuck the cops! Where? So, here we are currently in Miami, guys. With a whole bunch of Fetty Wap cops. Fuck 12.